Hey guys, today we will be making noodle soup. First get some meat and cut them into small pieces. Then get 2 potatoes and cut them into small pieces as well. Then get an onion and cut them into pieces just like the potatoes. After that, get some carrots, turnip, and cut them into pieces as well. Get a boiler and pour some oil. Put everything in the boiler. Stir them up. Add a spoon of salt. If you want, you can add some spice too. Pour some water. Then for the noodles, you need to sift some flour. Add half a spoon of salt, a spoon of butter, and crack an egg. And then mix it all up. While you're mixing, add some water to make it a bit softer. And now we flatten the dough. And roll it. And after that, we cut them into several pieces, like I'm doing so. And then we lightly pick them up. Now we add the noodles to the soup. After 10 or 15 minutes, the soup is ready. Share it with your family and friends, and like and subscribe. Goodbye.